Oh my god.
We are making an emergency landing.
This is because of overload. Someone too heavy is causing issues.
This is so humiliating.
I don't want to live with you. I leave you here.
I don't want to live with you. You're so ugly. I hate you. I hate you.
Get out of this house. I don't even want to see you.
Open the door, it's raining!
Don't quit. You're stronger than this.
I'm doing this for me.
Excuse me. I just wanted to say, you have the most confident smile I've ever seen.
Thank you.
I lost her.